Hello and welcome back to the course. In this video, we are going to talk about long form sales pages and how to design them. This is where you are going to make most of your money and where you will spend most of your time designing. Every other page is going to be very simple, very straightforward, and not take that much time out of your day. This, on the other hand, is going to take a while to write out the copy as well as position it in the best way possible. Now, there's no template on ClickFunnels that can give you something like this, so I had to go on ClickBank, and this is the #1 product for health and fitness. It's called the Fat Decimator Program, and this is their sales page, and that's the pop-up. Okay, there we go. So notice the headline: Ex-Marine reveals the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours. Very specific, time-based, and a nice picture of a Marine right here telling you to stop and read this stuff. It's nice, happy old people, and Gunny is a trap. It's nice, like text. So, okay, so let's talk about this design-wise. Notice the blocks, like stuff is blocked off. It gave this like a bit of a dark background, so you can still see what's behind it, but it made it easy to read this. Notice the color text that's sitting on the dark background. Notice how headlines are broken up from the main text. Notice how this is stressed, and then there's a picture immediately. And geez, Sharon lost a lot of weight. There's no freaking way. Without pills, like just notice how they're stressing, like whenever it's like something that's like quick and punchy, how we talk about in the copy portion of this course, that's when it's highlighted with bigger words. So that's a design aspect as well as a copy aspect that needs to be blended in together. And then short copy with some stuff bolded every now and then. And then notice how this is sitting on a completely different background to stress this part, and then it goes back to the white. Look, notice how this background is different, so this can sit on top of it and it stands out more, but still white background, black text. Nice pictures to break stuff up. And if this was on a phone, this would be sitting on top of this, and then it would be text, and then this would be sitting on the bottom of this, and then it'd be this headline. Notice again, the headline is sitting on top of this block of color. All these pictures of testimonials. Boom, stuff right here. Now this is a huge page, so we're going to go through this a lot more fast, but picture, stuff broken up by text, picture, text, lots of huge text sitting on a background, pictures broken up to text, lots of text, and because of all that large text, huge picture, more text, background, stress this part, pictures, break everything up. That is a hilarious, very good picture. Massive wave of depression. Notice how I haven't read anything, but this stuck out because of just how the way they put it. This is standing out from everything else, so this must be something stressed that they felt like needed to be stressed. Pictures. Notice how the background just changed. So the whole design of this whole page just changes right here. So this stuff looks different. The background's completely different. It's a little hard to read the text. That's the one thing I would say about this part. And now they switched it back. More pictures. Huge headline right here. Pictures. Look, this picture just shows the gut. I don't know what they're talking about, but I know it's about the bubble and gut system. Huge picture right here with a quote. This is broken up in a completely different way, so they chose a different aspect. Got a new background right here, which is sick. Like, this is a massive sales page. Boom, they already used this picture, but they used it again because, hey, why not? More pictures. Huge picture right here with some text right there. This text is, oh no, it's independent. Headline, headlines, colors, and now look how they introduced the course. And I want you to see this. This is how you know they know what they're doing. This takes them to the order form. So that takes them to the order form. Boom, boom. More testimonials. Another picture. The bonuses. So this takes, look, check it out. Takes them to the order form. Pictures of people in the background that look so happy. Boom, like Xing out all their competition. Picture, I'm surprised it doesn't go to the order form. More pictures, all of this for $37. And check it out, just so stressing the point. Boom. If you act now, only $37. Ready to order, that's interesting. Notice how stuff is broken up. Look how this is done. This is, yeah, that's just the whole picture. The guide, fastest weight loss, like this, yeah, this is very, very well done, meticulously done. Boom, you get all of this value, 37. Ooh, look at that. Look at the colors, it matches. Notice how every single add to cart color is the same. All the add to cart colors are the same. And then the Q&A part right here. So in terms of like a good looking sales page as well as like a well done one, this is it, because they even add that part at the end. And boom, add to cart at the end as well. So this is a good example of long form sales page in terms of like what a good one looks like, and you're more than welcome to copy this URL and put it in if you want. But yeah, this is how you break stuff up. Like you just add testimonials, like just break stuff up as much as you possibly can to make it easy on the eye. Add lots of images, play around with the colors that you're using, and whenever something is really punchy and you want to stress it a lot, switch it up into a headline. It breaks up the text a little bit, makes it easier on the eye, stuff like that. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.